Okay, so the plan for today is to try and make affiliate marketing commissions on Quora.com. And we're going to be using a secret traffic source, and we're not even going to make the content ourselves. So let's get straight into it. So as you probably already know, Quora.com is a popular website with a lot of monthly views. Somewhere in, I think it's like 500 million views for the month. So basically the concept is going to be like this. You're heading over to a site called Quora.com. You're going to have a response to a hot topic, a hot question. And within that response, there's going to be a link, and not a link directly to an affiliate product, because that could get you banned. But this is going to link over to another website where you'll have a little bit more detailed article. And in that article is where you're going to have your affiliate link. And if somebody buys something from that link, then you get a commission. But to make sure that this is set up successfully, we want to make sure that the question, that topic that you're going to be writing about, is something that people are actually searching for and getting a lot of views right here on Quora. So I found a secret way of figuring that out, and it's by creating an ad account on Quora. You're not going to be spending any money on ads. It's just to create the account so that we can find out how much monthly views questions are getting. So to do that, you just head on up to your profile picture, hit create ad, come up with any account name here. Then there's some basic information to fill out. Fill that out and then hit start advertising. Once you confirm your email address, you'll have to hit new campaign on the top right hand side. So you start creating your campaign. Give it a campaign name. We're going to call this one Don't Forget to Subscribe. So, don't forget to subscribe. And none of these things here really matter. So you're just going to choose something and move on. You'll have to choose a daily max budget. And we're just going to give this $1,000. Because we're not actually spending money, we just want to move on to the next part. So you hit continue. Now that we're here, you choose an ad set name. Let's call this one YouTube. Choose a location, United States. What we really needed this for is for this little box. This box right here. This is where we're going to get the information, the amount of views that these questions are getting for the month, so that we know what questions to actually target. We're going to hit questions, and then we're going to come over here and hit bulk ad. Make money on YouTube. That's what we're curious about. That's what we want to respond to. So let's see what questions show up here. So as you can see, there are a lot of different things that you can choose from. A lot of gold mines. And it shows you here not the monthly views, but the weekly views on these types of questions. We pretty much are going to choose something here. The one that I'm interested in here is, how can I make money on YouTube without recording any videos? So we're just going to copy that question, because this question gets on average up to 300 views per week, and that's free traffic. So we're going to come out of this now. We're just going to head back on the main page of Quora and paste this in right here, but we're not going to ask it as a question. We're just going to search this and see what shows up by questions. So according to Quora, these questions are getting roughly 300 views a month. And as I go into one of the questions here, there are also related questions where people are asking similar types of questions. So we're basically going to just find one to respond to. How do I make 100 a day on YouTube without recording videos? This question here has a lot of followers. It has 305 followers. So we want to get into this. Space here. So let's go ahead and hit answer. But I'm not coming up with the content myself. What I'm going to do is depend on a tool that could come up with the answers for this for me. And that tool is Conversion AI. Now this is Conversion AI. I'm simply just going to hit documents and start from scratch. I'm going to type, actually I'm just going to paste that make money on YouTube without recording any videos. And I'll just come down here, hit compose, and watch the magic happen. Right, so there you have it. I don't have to do anything, no typing or research myself. Jarvis just does that for me. Jarvis is going good so far, so I'll just hit compose so he could continue typing. Taking one paid promotion, sell your own merchandise. It's a good point. So I think we'll stop at point 3 here, because we don't want to give away too much here, because we're actually going to add a link here in the 4th point. So now that we have this, we can just copy this, and so we're just going to hit paste inside of there. And in this 4th point, what we want to do is pitch a product. But with Quora, you can't just put in a link to an affiliate product. Most likely your Quora account may get banned if they stumble upon that. So what we're going to do is link this to another website. And for that, we'll be using medium.com. Create an account for free on medium.com and just hit write on Medium. and you want to create an article here that is related to that Quora.com response that you were just writing. So to do that, we could simply just head right back over to Quora and look for the related questions. You see, these would be the top related questions to this question. And the first one says, how do I make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos? So we'll just go with that. So on Medium, we're going to call that, we're going to give that's the title. But of course, we're not going to create this article ourselves either. We're just going to let Jarvis do all the hard work. So how do I make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos? Let's start writing that one. Right, so we are making progress so far, aren't we? And we're just going to hit compose to continue writing this because it's a lot of work, as you could see. It's quite tiring actually. And continue. I mean, you still should have a look and a read if you get around to it, but most likely it's going to be good to go. So let's continue. It's going to be quite a detailed article because it took us a really long time to make. All right, so let's just copy that. Head back over now to Medium. So we're just going to come right here and hit paste. You obviously want to read through this to make sure that it's the proper context and there are no errors. Now in this last paragraph, here's where we want to pitch a product that when somebody clicks that link, they're going to be taken to a sales page, and if they buy something, you get the commission. Well, I get the commission. I mean, I'm doing this, but if you do this, then you would get a commission. And where you're getting that is on a website called Digistore24. This is a marketplace that is available worldwide. So it doesn't seem like you'll have any kind of problems with getting paid. Digistore24 has multiple payout options and it's available worldwide, so you shouldn't have a problem getting paid here. Now the product that I'm promoting is closely related to the response I'm going to place on Quora, as well as the article that I wrote on medium.com. And this product is called Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Park. How I found it was by simply hitting the marketplace on the top after I created an account for free. I came down to all offers on the affiliate marketplace, and then I came down to the different categories here and I just hit internet marketing and e-business. There's many other options. You don't have to choose this category. There are many options to choose from. Now, if I wanted to promote this, what I would do is hit promote now. But as you can see right here, this offers 50% commission if a sale is made, which is a lot. So I would hit promote now, and here's my promotion link. And this is the link that I would use to put on a medium.com. Now, if you hit this button here, it's going to take you over to the sales page. This is where your potential customers would go, where he does all of the selling for you, all of the information here that you need, all of the testimonials. So you don't have to worry about the selling here. And when somebody comes down to the bottom here and they decide to buy something, the concept is that you earn a percentage of this. And in this case, it says 50%, which is a lot. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to take this link and just using a simple tool like Bitly, I just want to make that link much shorter and something more visual. So I'll just head over to this tool that I use called Bitly, bit.ly.com, and hit link, paste the link into there, hit create, and there I have link has been edited, and I could just simply hit copy. So you can see here, if I come over to a new tab and I hit paste, enter, it should take me to that landing page. But this is with my affiliate link. So I'm just going to come back over to medium.com here now, hit paste, and then I'm just going to simply hit publish. You have to add a few tags here so that your article could be found organically, but we're actually not going to leverage Medium traffic. We're really going to use Quora.com to get the traffic. This would be a bonus if it works. So we'll just add a few things like make money online, make money on, let's see if YouTube is there, make money on YouTube, make money online fast. So we're just going to hit publish now. So your story is published. So thanks for letting me know. So now what we want to do is copy this story link. So let's see. Let me hit open a new tab and we paste that link in there. So here's a Medium article that we just made, and it includes our affiliate link at the bottom. And when we click it, it's going to take us over to this Tube Mastery and Monetization page, where we're hoping somebody buys it and gives us some money. So we're adding value here. We're not just trying to scam somebody and post a link. But how do they find this site? Now we need to post the link to this article back on Quora. And I'm just going to use that link shortener again because this is a really long link. I'm just going to come back over to Bitly. I'm just going to grab this link over here and take this back over to Bitly because that link is a bit long. and we don't want enter a long URL, and we're going to create that new link here. Link has been edited. So we hit copy, paste that over here in a new tab, and let's see. Now let's head back over to Quora now, where we're going to get the traffic from. So let's finish up this post that we were creating, where what we're responding to is how can I make money on YouTube without recording any videos? We're not going to bother with that fourth point anymore. We're just going to pitch reading further on how somebody can make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos. And that works out great because it's the related question that's up next that somebody would see right here. Only they don't need to click that link. They already are going to have that link embedded in this post. But we want to find a nice way to pitch this to make sure that somebody clicks it. So that's where we're going to depend now on Conversion AI again. So let's just take this title again. How do I make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos? And we're going to head back over to Conversion AI. I have so many tabs open, I don't even remember where that was. Okay, here it is. We're going to go over into the templates. Where is it? So you just hit templates over here. There's a lot of templates here to choose from. There's actually a feature in here where you can hit social media and there's Quora answers right here. You can get intelligent answers for tough questions. So there's a next option where you can do that. What we will be using is the frameworks tab and hitting the ADA framework or IDA framework. Let's just go the ADA framework. And in here now, we're just going to hit paste in there. And we could probably elaborate in the product description, but Conversion AI is smart enough. So we're just going to hit generate AI content. Now let's see what it comes up with. So I chose for it to give 3 different options. And I'm just actually going to go with the first one. So hit that, hit copy. Now let's head back over to Quora now and put this in our wrap-up paragraph, our conclusion. So obviously we just remove the word attention. We don't want that. Just remove these headings, right? So let's hear how that sounds. Let's just point an arrow to this one because, it's important for them to check this one out. And obviously you can come in here and fix the content a little bit better for it to be more related to the article over on Medium. So at the end here, we just change this to say, click this link now to learn more about how to make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos. I mean, it's not clickbait because it actually is linking to an article that says that. I'm going to make that bold as well and make all of the points bold as well. And at the end here, we're going to make sure that this is the link to Medium. So we're just going to take back this link from bit.ly, the short link that we made. Now, you don't have to use these short links. You could just use the link from Medium. That should be fine. I just prefer to do it this way. We paste that link right there and we hit post. Now here we have it. Here's the live answer to that question. So the idea here, the concept is that somebody would review this entire article. They would then click this link now where they head over now to medium.com, and where they were given even more value by reading this article. The intention is that after they read through this entire thing, there's a link at the bottom if they would like to find out this additional way that they can make money on YouTube. Of course, this could be for whichever topic that you decide to write on. And when they hit this button at the bottom, they are then taken to the sales page. And if they do decide to buy after going through all of this information, going through the different testimonials, and if they do hit click here to enroll or whatever this page is on the product that you decide to choose, then you can get a commission. But to increase the chances of them actually buying something, you need to have more traffic towards this Medium page. And the way you're going to do that is by answering more related questions on Quora.com. And within all of those answers to those related questions, you'll be posting your link to the Medium article that you wrote. So that increases the traffic, increases the chances of more traffic towards that affiliate link. So this video would have been a little bit longer than my usual videos, but there was a lot of things that we went through. And if you want to get access to that tool that we use to create all of the content automatically, that's called Conversion AI. And it's in the first link in the description below. So if you like videos like this one, then you're going to want to check out this video next, where I cover a similar approach, but towards YouTube Shorts. And we're going to use Conversion AI as well as another secret tool to get that done. So check that out there.